We now solve the second question. So we have to find the formula for the nth term of negative 4, 2, 12, 26, 44, 66, 92, and so on. So, as usual, we start by looking at the difference as we go from one term to the next. So from negative 4 to 2, we're adding 6. From 2 to 12, we're adding 10. From 12 to 26, we're adding 14. From 26 to 44, we're adding 18. From 44 to 66, we're adding 22. And from 66 to 92, we're adding 26. Okay, so we can see that the difference isn't always the same between terms, so we look at the second difference. From 6 to 10, we're adding 4. From 10 to 14, we're adding 4. From 14 to 18, we're adding 4. From 18 to 22, we're adding 4. And finally, from 22 to 26, we're adding 4 again. Now, since the second difference is always the same, this means we're dealing with a quadratic sequence, so it has a formula looking like u of n equals to an squared plus bn plus c. And now, to find each of the coefficients, a, b, and c, we use the following equations. The first is the second difference must equal to 2a, so 2a must equal to 4. The second one is 3a plus b has to equal to the difference between the first and the second term of the sequence. So that's 6. And finally, a plus b plus c must equal to negative 4, the first term of the sequence. Those are our three equations, or formula, and we can now use those to find a, b, and c. Remember, we always start with the top one, work our way down these three equations. So the first one, 2a equals to 4, means that a equals to 4 over 2 equals to 2. So a is equal to 2. We now move to the second equation. We have 3a plus b equals to 6. Replacing a by 2 leads to 3 times 2 plus b equals to 6. Therefore, 6 plus b equals to 6. And therefore, b equals to 0. Done. We move on to the third equation. We have a plus b plus c equals to negative 4. And we saw that a was 2 plus b, which was 0, plus c equals to negative 4. Therefore, c is equal to negative 4 minus 2. That's c equals to negative 6. We now have all three coefficients, a, b, and c. So finally, we write the formula. That would be un equals to 2n squared minus 6. And there we have it. That's the formula.